Good morning. Hello, everyone. This is Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope everyone is blessed. I am so blessed. Okay. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. Good morning and welcome to my kitchen. So this is the third day of November. I'm starting into the holiday season in the month of November through December. And I want you all to know this is the day that the Lord has made, and we're going to rejoice and be glad in it no matter what. And I'm coming to you now because I'm getting ready to make a pan of dressing, and I've already made my own broth. Although I made the broth, and I don't have the broth to show you, but I will be making more broth this week so I can show it to you ahead of time because I forgot to put it in, had to put it on the video when I made the broth. But this is just going to be dressing that I made out of the chicken broth. So I will have that. And this is what I will be using. But first, let me read my scripture. But in your great mercy, you did not put an end to them, or abandoned them. For you are a gracious and a merciful God. Let me read this again. But you are great mercy. You did not put an end to them, or abandon them. For you are a gracious and a merciful God. Nehemiah 9:31. Thank you so much for reading the word in the scripture. So I am so grateful to know that we are in the 2025th year for our seasoning going through to the holiday seasoning. But I'm trying to get you all to get started because I know that somebody's going to be making your dressing. It is such a nice time for me to show you all how to make the dressing that I make, okay? I made my homemade cornbread already, and I started it on one level, and then I'm putting it in. It's in the pan right now. So now I'm getting ready to do a little crumbing up to it like I normally do with my hands. So that's what I'm doing. I love to crumb it up first, and it makes it better for me, and it makes it better for you all to see it also. Sometimes I can also take my mixture and let it crumb up. But today I'm going to do it with my hands to start this one for you. So you'll be able to see me crumbing it up. Because I love to have it really crumbed up real good before I get started. So it won't take it too long for it to cook. So that's what I am in the process of doing right now. Is getting it all crumbed up for you. So we can get it all together. And then we'll have it together. So I have it all ready. The more crummy it is, the sooner it cooks, and the sooner you can get all your ingredients in it, and your ingredients will be always so easier to cook. This is my own broth that I made, so I'm going to be pouring some of it through the strainer in case there are some places left in there when I made it the other day. I'm back with you all now, so I'm getting ready to put my ingredients in there. And
she also don't use sage and poultry season because it give a real bad acid reflux. So please don't come after her because she didn't use sage and poultry season,
Okay,
y'all.
this is the onion powder.
Because y'all can also you can put it in there. We just don't use it because, like I said, she's give a very, very, very bad acid reflux.
Complete. Okay. Okay, so now I got my onion. This is 1 package of onion soup. Onions, okay. All right. Get this together. And I'm going to take half of, I'm using stovetop stuffing also. I'm not going to use the whole package. I'm going to use half of it. That's about half of it. Okay, so now I'm go and kind of mix this up. And I'm going to pour a little bit more of my broth in. So I get this out of the way. Oh, you done moved the cups, ain't you? Okay.
Okay, y'all, she's using a half a gallon of broth.
Yeah, my black pepper in it. Oh, I'm going to be pouring in my soup. This is my cream of mushroom right here.
That's cream of mushroom she's putting in.
Okay. This is cream of celery mix.
It's cream of celery.
A whole can. What is it? 16-ounce can? What can? 10-ounce cans of all the soup is 10-ounce cans. Yeah. So sometimes we gotta like to ask how many ounces is it. And I know sometimes the soups are a little bit larger, but this is the 10-ounce that I'm using.
All of them 10 ounce. So that was cream of mushroom, cream of celery. And y'all, this recipe been in her family for a long time. And she just tweaked it and put the stovetop stuffing in it back in the 70s. But other than the late 70s, early 80s, other than that, everything that she put in here is exactly how her grandmother used to cook it. And yes, cream soups was there back in the 40s and 50s. The first cream soup was made in 1918. Second cream soup was made in 1942, and then went on from there. So, and she was born in 1940, so her grandmother and them did decide to start using cream soups. And again, as I say, she don't use sage and poultry season because it give her acid reflux real bad. So please, y'all, don't be rude in the comments. Just if you want to add that to it, you can. Thank you.
Okay, I'm getting ready to put my bell peppers and onions in it.
That's a Trinity mix, y'all. She used 1 small red pepper, 1 small yellow pepper, 1 small orange pepper, a half of bell pepper, 1 whole onion, and she used 6 celery sticks.
And the black pepper. Okay, I put putting 1/3 cup of onion powder, 1/3 cup of garlic powder, 1/3 cup of complete. And this was what I'm putting in. In the black pepper. I'm just going to use a little bit amount of it. I don't know. I don't use a lot of black pepper, so I'm just going to pour a little bit in here. And you can use your black pepper according to how much pepper you want in it yourself. So I'm just going to shake a little bit in it here, okay? Because we can always put it in the gravy when it's made later. Thank you, ma'am, sir, whoever.
Okay, yeah, she took a whole turkey leg and cut it up. She's gonna put in there.
Okay.
She put a smoked turkey leg in there. It's gonna have that little smoky flavor. It's gonna be so good.
Okay, you are. So I'm going to stir this up in here. Try to mix it in here.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave the broth. I'm gonna leave the broth in the description, and I'm gonna leave the cornbread in the description box.
I'm going to spray it with the pan. Okay. Okay, it's going to be nice. Maybe a little bit too much. I'm going to put it in 2 bowls. You can't make that.
All right, she's adding a little bit more juicy, y'all, so it'll be good and moist when it come out the oven. All right, this finna go in the oven for on 350 for an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. And we will be back, y'all, after it's done. And this is already off the chain, y'all. Didn't even went in the oven yet. So good. All right, y'all. We'll be back once it's ready.
Okay. All right, everyone. My dressing is out of the oven. The 2025 holiday season dressing, the first that I have made for the holiday season in 2025. Here it is, everyone. Look, it is beautiful. It is delicious. It is anything that you might want in your dressing. This is it. Coming from Lena's kitchen. And I tell you, it is totally off the chain, baby. When I tell you off the chain, I'm not playing. It is off the chain. Please try this recipe. This is a wonderful dressing. I'm going to put a little bit of my dressing on a plate. And I'm going to taste it for you. Look at here, guys. It is totally off the chain. Watch me take a bite, and you will see how I love it myself. You will love it, because I love it. And I know if you try it, you can't help from loving it, because it is automatically off the chain. Now, you see how I'm going to do it right now. Okay. It's so delicious. Look at there. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. It's great. Oh, it's great. I have the little turkey off in it. Oh, my God. My Lord, my Lord. What a wonderful dressing for 2025. You shall never forget this. So you all look. Oh, my God. It is delicious. It's delicious here. I have a little bit of turkey in there. Oh, my God. Lord have mercy. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. So good, so good. So good. You know, I love it. It's good, good. It is great. Please try it. We'll see you in the next video. This is my wonderful dressing.
Y'all make sure y'all check the video out. Check the dressing out. It's absolutely off the chain. She sold many pans of this dressing. Many pans. And this is her grandmother passed down through her generation. All right, y'all. Have a good day. Bye. Good day, evening. Bye. God bless.